Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this talk, which is on opportunities with head and heart, H&H as we call it. And we thank you for making the time to join us this evening for a talk which will last approximately an hour, followed by some question answers. We're going to try and be time conscious, but in case we go a little extra because of some questions that may come, please do bear with us. We really appreciate you making the time, and we have a very, very powerful lineup of speakers today. We're going to tell you a little bit about the company, the products that we have, the marketing opportunity, and the opportunities that we are here for this evening to give you a sense as to what is there. And we've tried to keep it to time, and we're going to begin now immediately with a quick introduction of the eminent speakers that we have on today. We are joined by Mr. Gurnandan Singh, who is the Managing Director of Innovative Midbrain Optimization Institute, the company which has created this brand, H&H. We have with us Vipul Tutuja. Some of you are here thanks to his introduction. And he's an HR specialist. He's also an entrepreneur in his own rights with a lot of successes behind him. We have Rajvinder Kaur. She's from the company itself. She's the director and head of research and development and training of this company, which has already been awarded a national award by the Honorable President of India. We have three very special guests today. We have a lady, Miss Sharda Dey, a very eminent professional from a corporate background. After 19 years in sales, customer experience, people development, she has worked with companies like Reliance, Airtel, with some of the finest talent in the corporate world. We are thanking her for joining us today, and she's going to share some very interesting things with you. We also have with us Rima Bajwa. She has a very, very rich experience as a customer relations manager with some of the top corporate houses in the country. But more importantly, she used her MSc degree to good effect to become a successful entrepreneur. And then as a very, very satisfied customer, after her children did this program, she has joined hands with us. And she'll be sharing her experience too. And finally, we have Miss Prabjot Kaur, a very successful banker who has worked with leading banks in the US and in India, a very successful entrepreneur in her own right. She's a country head of Inizio EduTech, and they work with over 150 of the top schools in the country. We are delighted that she's joining us as well, and we have a very, very quality lineup of people who will be sharing things with us as we go forward. Let me very quickly get to you and tell you a little bit more about the company. Now, GS, as we call him, and that's Gurnandan Singh, receiving the President's Award from the Honorable President of India. The company has a very, very powerful mission statement, which is to play a catalyst role in helping each and every individual achieve her or his true potential and contribute towards the development of their communities, nation, and humanity as a whole. This powerful mission statement and the actions behind it have already led to a national award, and there's a lot more to them. How did the company begin? Well, I think he was very, very smart enough to identify that on a macro scale, there's a reality today that about 85% people are doing jobs and things that they are not intuitively inclined to, which is not their natural strength. And as a result of which, they do not optimize the outcomes and results that they deserve. And GS, as I'm going to call him again and again, identified that this is an opportunity of giving a solution which he identified quite fortunately during a visit to Malaysia. On this business visit, he saw this product which blew his mind. He actually wanted to take his entire family down for 45 days and give his children a chance to learn what he saw. But then I think his better half, Rajwinder Kaur, gave him a better idea. She said, let's get them to India. And that's how the genesis of the company was laid. And one thing led to another. And on the way of this journey, they've been able to do some very, very unique things. They were able to put together a very high quality team of advisors. We have gentlemen like Mr. Jitendra Rahi, who was earlier the CEO of Reliance Communication, National Sales Head for Aircel. Sunil Ganju, who was a director with Dell International and India head and a hub manager for McKinsey India. Professor Sunil Bakshi, who's done some phenomenal work himself. And as you could see, the quality of people who got joined to him indicated very clearly that they saw some merit in the product and the quality of people linking up with this company. Well, that's something that really enthused me as well. And I wanted to be a part of it. You must be wondering who I am. So let me quickly introduce myself as well. My name is Digraj Singh. I've had the good fortune of having represented India in competitive golf. I have a sports marketing company. I've started another company before that. And amongst many things, we have the privilege of managing Mr. Milkha Singh exclusively. I've had some experience in education too. And as a result of all this background, I've had the opportunity of interacting with some of the finest sportsmen in the country and internationally too. When I saw this presentation, live demonstration from Gurnandan, I couldn't believe it. And I was very keen to have my students and my family do it. And that's how I got associated with it. And that's what something is going to enthuse you as well as we go forward. Down the line, the company's gained a lot of momentum, a lot of awards, successfully awarded the top 3,000 startups in IIM Calcutta. They got an ISO certification and many other values, including one that they've successfully executed, a project for defense intelligence of an African country. These things don't happen unless you are really, really good and credible in what you do. And ladies and gentlemen, that's what we are here to share with you. Now, all these products so far were offline, classroom-based products. But GS also demonstrated his ability to fast track, to bring to an online opportunity things that they were already planning for some time in a short period of span. Since COVID came up, we've all been able to gear ourselves up. GS took the lead on that. And now he has a company which is already successfully delivering on a very mouth-watering business plan. They already hit above 100 students, the number of trainers, etc., what's being planned. And a new paradigm which suggests that we are on our way to creating a very, very powerful company in education, making a difference to individuals as we go forward. So ladies and gentlemen, let me now hand you over to Gurnandan, and he's going to tell us about the products and a lot more that you would be wanting to hear by now. So Gurnandan, over to you.
Yeah, very good evening, everybody. I'm Gurnandan, GS. Thank you, Digraj sir, for such a wonderful briefing and the introduction. First of all, I take this opportunity to thank everybody to take out your valuable time out of your busy schedule to come and see what we do, and we want to share some amazing products, amazing things that we are doing from last 5 years plus, and the opportunities which are going to be forward with us. Okay, so I'll start with the online products. As told by Digraj sir, we fast-tracked onto the online, post-COVID. We could understand that this is going to be there for some time. And we were into a domain where everybody has to, come to us for offline trainings. So we thought, how can we reach to people now? So people can't reach us because of the social distancing and so much, we understood it's not going to be that easy, and it's going to take long time for the people to connect physically back again. So there was a thought already going on to go online, but this actually COVID-19 fast tracked it. So we fast tracked onto the online products. We thought of bringing on at a very affordable pricing, because we understood that as a team, we understood that people would be very conscious on spending a penny, and they will really look a worth for it. So we started with some amazing programs on, memory boosters and brain gym. Now, if I talk about the brain gym and memory booster, what are these things all about? So these products are all about, how to enhance the brain capabilities of an individual. Now, how can we enhance the brain capabilities? If we talk about our brain, we have left and right hemisphere of the brain. So the left brain talks about number, logic, reasoning, calculation, analysis, whereas right hemisphere of the brain talks about creativity, art, emotion, music, love. Both are important, but there is a medical fact that one hemisphere of the brain is more dominant. Now, a very eminent educationist and psychologist, Dr. Makoto Shishida from Japan, from whom we took the inspiration, right? He said, what if both brains go to the best optimized level, what would be the end result? Because we all know, like one of the hemisphere of the brain is dominant like one of our hands. So if you are a right-handed person and somebody tells you to take a written exam with your left hand, you will quit even before attempting it. So when Dr. Makoto Shishida challenged this medical fact of one hemisphere of the brain being dominant, and what if both hemispheres of the brain go to the best level? So the research found out minimum 300%, minimum 300% enhancement in terms of learning ability, thinking ability, creativity, memory, and concentration. I'll repeat, minimum 300% enhancement in terms of learning ability, thinking ability, creativity, memory, and concentration, right? So this was the end result which was found. So he developed few brain gym exercises, which we took inspiration, and then there are definitely wonderful programs available on training the brain how to enhance your memory capabilities also. So if we say there is no good or bad memory, there is either trained memory or untrained memory. So the memory has 3 R's: registration, retention, retrieval. So when we register well, when we retain it well, and when we recall or retrieve it well, right, we will have one of the best trained memory. So this is all about the broad outline of the products. If we go into little details of the product, the memory booster is divided into 3 various parts. So the memory booster starts with the basic level. Now the basic level, the technique is same: registration, retention, and retrieval. But the basic level, the technique is used for enhancing memory capabilities of short answers, single word answers, one-liners, these kind of headings, these kind of memory we can have through memory booster basic technique. Now, once the individual has done memory booster basic, he or she can upgrade to memory booster advanced. Now the advanced will cover basically amazing large format of data, phrases, essays, comprehensions, poems, which are difficult to remember otherwise. And the time taken will not be more than 5-7 minutes to do that. Maybe 300 words, 400 words, 500 words. And definitely then we move up to the pro. The pro consists of professional, wherein you can remember anything and everything. Moving from brain gym and to the memory booster products, we started with the online curriculum of CBSE from class 8 to 12. It is already live online, but we are about to create curriculum from class 6 to 12. In next 4 to 6 weeks, we are going to launch class 6 to 8th as well. So already 8th to 12th, it is already there, right? Now this is called LMS, Learning Management System. We use artificial intelligence and machine learning, ML. So AI and ML are used to develop the techniques of learning the curriculum of basically, we know all the big daddies like Byju's, Vedantu, Unacademy, right? But we had come up with this solution with two unique things. One, affordable price, which a Byju charges 50,000-60,000 rupees for an annum for a particular class. The price affordable is as low as 2,000 rupees per subject for complete 1 year, with complete chapter by chapter, syllabus covered for class 8 to 12th on all subjects, right? Secondly, we have used a technology or technique in this, wherein the AI and the ML is able to understand your learning styles. So if I talk about learning styles, they are basically, normally people don't understand what is a learning style. So learning style, people think either the child crams. No, he doesn't do cramming. He understands it. Actually, scientifically, there are three learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Few children, they are visual learners. They learn by seeing things, right? Few children, they are auditory learners. When they hear the same explanation, what they are seeing at the screen or at the board, the brain absorbs and retains. And few are kinesthetic learners. They learn by doing it or writing it. So if the learner is a fine motor kinesthetic, then he would love to write. If the learner is gross motor kinesthetic, then he would, love to do some body actions while learning. So this is the different unique, propositions in the product. Now coming to another very interesting product called dermatographics analysis. Now, if I talk about dermatographics, this is one of the most amazing product. So normally we talk about psychometric test to understand. It's a psychometric test is a tool to do the assessment on various things like personality test. Then there are core competency tests like Risic model, then DISC model. We know all in corporates we have used all these models for assessment of even corporate people. Right now, this particular dermatographics analysis is a tool which can give you more than 95% accuracy, 95% plus accuracy in assessing your brain lobes. So through fingerprints, we assess the brain lobes. Now, what is the correlation between fingers and brain lobes? In 1926, Dr. Harliet Cummins, who is known as father of dermatographics. Now, derma means skin, graphics means analysis of the skin. So Dr. Harliet Cummins, he gave a correlation theory between fingers and the brain. During the pregnancy, week 13 to 21, fingers and brain, they develop simultaneously, right? So that is a very evident theory which confirms the correlation of fingers and the brain lobes. Sorry. So when we do this dermatographics analysis, we are able to read the brain lobes, through which we are able to know with 95% plus accuracy what kind of personality an individual has, what kind of learning style individual has, thinking style. It can do the accurate assessment of stream selection for 9, 10th, 11, 12 students. It can do career selection for you. It can tell you whether you are a left brain oriented or right brain oriented person. It can also give you your multiple intelligence. Now, multiple intelligence is a very important theory given by Dr. Howard Gardner, who is currently teaching in Harvard. So he says that there are 8 multiple intelligence: intrapersonal, interpersonal, mathematical, logical, creative, linguistic, musical, naturalist, and kinesthetic. So our brain is divided into 8 multiple intelligence. And these intelligence actually help us to do, accomplish a lot of what we accomplish. I'll give you an example. So if anybody wants to be an author or writer, right, or poet, the person should have a high intra. Intra means cognitive thinking ability, and the linguistic. So if the linguistic is high and the intra is high, the chances of a person to become a poet, author, writer are very high. If a sports person, if somebody has to be a good sports person, the fine motors and gross motors, kinesthetic intelligence has to be high. Somebody wants to go in designing, so the creative intelligence has to be high. Somebody wants to become a chef, naturalistic intelligence will make a person a very good chef. He will have a good, sense of smell and taste. If you have a high naturalist intelligence, the sense of smell and taste will be very high, which is very, very essential to become a good chef, right? So these are so accurate. The tools and the study and the analysis are so accurate, and we get the USP of, again, every product has a USP with us. That is the reason where we have reached, is a reason because we always connect a USP with a product. The USP is that the counseling is done by none other than a doctorate PhD in psychology. So all the counselors that our organization have are doctorate counselors, right? So the kind of quality that we bring into the product actually makes a difference to it, right? So that is where the USP comes into the picture, and it plays a very vital role to it. Okay, going forward, if I talk about LMS is a huge opportunity. The learning management system, which I spoke about, class 8 to 12th, the KPMG and Google reports talks about India in 2021 going to hit 2.8 billion US dollar kind of a revenue, right? So there is a huge opportunity for all of us to actually encash the online edtech industry in India, and all these products, whatever I have discussed with you, Memory Booster, Brain Gym, Dermatographics, all are online products. So there is no physical contact required by any student to come to any classes or any tutorials or any location. Everything is done online in a very professional manner with a trained, highly trained trainers. We are the only organization in India whose trainers are trained, are certified by DGT. DGT is a Directorate General of Training. And if people are there from the training background, they understand the value of the certification of DGT. It's not easy to get it. So there are very, high requirements for a trainer to do that. So coming back to the products, I would like to discuss brain optimization. Now the brain optimization product, which we were doing pre-COVID. So pre-COVID, it was a classroom sessions wherein the kind of, enhancement on the brain optimization, the kind of results we were getting were amazing. Whomsoever would see that result was zapped onto the results. So basically when we work on the left and right brain, we work on the midbrain. So brain has a 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So if you will study brain, you will come to know that there is forebrain, which is the thinking part, calculative part. Then there is a midbrain, which controls the sensory motors of our body. So the kind of work we do, that is a bridge between left and right brain, the kind of work we used to do on our classroom sessions, the results were ESP. Now ESP is extra sensory perception. Whatever you and me see with open eyes, the brain of the child is able to visualize the same. When the child concentrates on smell or touch as a sense, even the eyes are blindfolded. I know it must be looking, gimmick to you. It must be looking, you are joking, how it is possible. I know that is a actually first kind of a reaction for everybody. But let me tell you, we have done successfully 4,300 plus children who have gone through this kind of workshops, and few very elite schools. To name few schools, there are many schools, but to name few elite schools: Scottish High International, Gurgaon. Then I talk about YPS Patiala, Yadvindra Public School. Then I talk about Buddhadal Public School, Patiala. Then I talk about Shimla Public School, Khalini, Shimla. Then I talk about Cambridge International, Bangalore. Then I talk about Takshila International, Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. And to that extent that our content is already approved by Himachal Education Board as a curriculum for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th with the subject name Meta Learning and Neuroscience. So what is the goal? The goal we have with us is a high quality software. So as I told you, the USP is our prime motive. So every product has to have a USP, right? So through how we get the USP is through a high quality software. quality processes, because we guarantee on results, because the experience is amazing, and the post event connect with the all the individuals, whether the participant is a child or an adult, right? To another thing I would like to put out here, a lot of people, there are a lot of accomplished people, there are a lot of educationists out here, and I know psychometric has been a very, very popular tool to assess a lot of things for IQ, EQ, lot of things we use psychometric tests for that. But very few of you would have heard of dramatical affects. This science exists. Do you know why China, USA, Japan keeps on bagging the best number of gold medals in Olympics? Because they do the talent search through such techniques. This technique has come again from China, Japan, US has been using this technique of dramatical effects for quite long number of years. In one of my interaction with Prabjot ji, because she has worked in banks in US, she told me they took our fingerprints and they took out this report, dramatical effects report, but we never knew what they did with it, because they were assessing you, what kind of personality you have, what kind of learning style you have, what kind of thinking style you have. But there is a very low awareness in India. To bring that awareness in India, I am very pleased to share with you that of late, a lot of people got together from this industry, and we formed a IDA. IDA is an Integrated Dramatical Effects Association. It is Section 8 company. Now, Section 8 company is a very privileged company approved by Government of India through ROC, right? Few examples are like FICCI, SOCAM, they are Section 8 companies. So the endeavor is to create that kind of awareness with all the top line educationists and top line people who are there to help parents to understand the child better. So IDA's main role would be to bring that awareness to the people, and with God grace, I am one of the founding directors for IDA. Definitely, we are a startup. We started about 5.5 years back. We are a small, but we are a very quality team, supported by some wonderful quality, board, advisory board. Mr. Digraj just spoke to you about advisory members. They are very accomplished people in their own fields, and they are there to help us to reach to new heights. And definitely, we are about to introduce a new technology with bots, AI and ML in all kind of marketing GTM we are going to take out.
GS, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, actually, you could have sensed the passion in Gurunandan when he speaks about his products. And I first was exposed to the brain optimization product, and what I saw just floored me. I was very clear that, and you can tell that this is making some tangible difference to every human being who's doing it. And I wanted that value. And down the line, imagine every single child in India or every single individual in this country and across the world having done these products and optimizing their efficiencies and actually performing better and being happier in whatever they do. And that suddenly tells me that the potential is so huge, because every single person in this world is your market. And that's the potential that this business has. Education, as you all know, is in itself a huge opportunity in the country. There's a big need for it. Many top consulting companies have been estimating that the Indian education market is between 180 to 210 billion USD. But the education technology market was being estimated at about 1.96 to $2 billion. COVID, I think, has made this even bigger, because suddenly people have gone beyond, are getting comfortable with online products, and we are pretty confident that this 1.96 estimation is going to be beaten hollow. And that's the opportunity, because anybody who's studying online will actually be the first touch market for H&H. To tell you a little bit more about what the opportunities are for you, who have made the time to be with us today. I'm going to now request Vipul Tuteja to kindly take us through what the opportunities are for you currently. Vipul, across to you.
Thank you so much, Digraji. Thank you so much, GS. I feel really great being part of this webinar. And first of all, I really want to say thanks to all those people who received my messages overnight. Okay, and they responded
Vipul,
me
a
back.
little louder, please. The voice is a little low.
Can you all hear me properly now?
Yeah,
Is it okay?
Much better
Yeah?
now. Thank you.
So I was saying, I actually want to say thanks to all those people, who overnight read my messages and, responded me back, and they really showed interest in the opportunity, right? So once again, I just want to tell you, as Mr. Digraj has already shared, I also got associated with this company. To be very honest, when I saw this product, when I heard that there is a possibility wherein, brain can have efficiency level can go up to, twice, and the capabilities can be enhanced. I to be very honest, I was also zapped. And then, my daughter also went through this, and now, she can even read blindfolded. So this is something unbelievable has happened, and I have seen the results. And thanks for this biggest opportunity for me also, as GS has, I'm today part of this organization. It feels great. So anyways, so let's talk about the opportunities. I'm sure everyone wants to know. So you see, the objective is very clear, as I sent the post also, and the way we are growing today, as you have already seen the products. Now the first opportunity comes, of course, to become a trainer, right? So this is always there. As pace is growing for our organization. The growth pace is already growing very fast. We are growing very fast. So there is a possibility that we can get a chance to work as a trainer. So that's already there. Already an action plan is there. Training modules are there, and you're most welcome, okay, to apply as a trainer with us. Now, what are the prerequisites? Definitely that we will share, offline. Now, let's go to these two most important things, most important opportunities we are looking at. Like, first one is becoming a franchisee, and then becoming a learning partner. Now, this is something really interesting, because, we all know today in COVID situation, what we are going through, right? Most of the insecurities are across, economies are going in negative. So in this era, I think, this is the best time to work as an entrepreneur. Almost 9 years back, when I used to be part of corporate, I used to be, I used to sit like everyone is here right now on in these kind of presentations. And I used to think, one day I can work as an entrepreneur. So, I read a book. I was talking to someone just yesterday, Parable of Pipeline, wherein I heard, there was a line, there was a saying, pipelines are the lifelines. So this is the best, example we are going to share with you. So first is, again, why can't we become a franchisee rather than just being a trainer? This is the opportunity, wherein we can work as a franchisee. And why only trainers can work, in case if you have people around you who are also looking to start something of their own, then this is the best way. You can refer them, and you all can, become a franchisee. So this is something, a very, simple process, wherein you can come along with us, and you can, definitely work with us. Now, the next opportunity, this is something very, very, I would say, special. And this is a concept which we have created to become a learning partner. Now, it's almost similar to, becoming a franchisee, but there is a, bit unique thing. you know Most of us, we have been from training backgrounds, and we want to work as a trainer. But the best thing is, if you become a franchisee, as well as, if you also work as a trainer, if both opportunities come in one combo, I would say that. So that's the best way to do. So, what exactly is going to be there in these opportunities, how they are backed up, what are the USPs, what is the, the payouts, all those things. Definitely everything has been designed, and GS will take you through to this, these next steps, right? So
Thank
thank you
you.
so much.
Thanks, Vipul. Thanks for identifying the three opportunities,
Yeah.
which are all at the same time giving value which you offer to another individual of improving their own efficiencies.
Right.
Fantastic. I'm actually now going to request GS to take us through what's the way forward for all three of these opportunities and what do they need to do next. GS, across to you.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Vipul. That was a wonderful introduction to the opportunities that we have. Now taking it forward for trainers, as a training, what we intend to do is that we will train you on the product. We are going to do, we are going to train you on the organization, what has been a journey so far, and what is the vision and the future of the organization. Then we are going to train you on how to conduct online, workshops, because online is something new to all of us. Even my daughters, they are going through online classes through, they go to DPS, and the DPS today, or every school is on online today, right? So it's a new experience for everybody. It's something new that is coming up for us, right? Then definitely we'll have a test run on the performances. So there will be a small assessment of the test run, through which we will screen and we will find the right people for this kind of a profile. Then you can work as a part-time or full-time trainer. We are growing pretty fast. Let me tell you, in last 5 weeks, when we started, the first batch happened on 27th April 2020, and tomorrow we are going to start with the 7th batch. So 6 weeks, 6 batches have already gone through. We have 150 enrollments with more than 90 unique users right now with us. So that kind of
If I may
response has
clarify,
already come to
GS,
us.
these are online enrollments. So
Online enrollments.
That's right.
Yeah. Otherwise, the strength is 4,300 plus.
Right.
So the previous strength is 4,300 plus in last 5 years. But the online, it has been really fast track for us. And the kind of projections we have, we would need more trainers, more and more trainers, starting August, towards the mid-August onwards, right? So we plan to start the training on for the trainers post mid-August and start implementing them by the end of the August, last week of August. The earning potential is anything between 25,000 to 75,000 rupees for a trainer, and the kind of requirement projection shows that by March 2021, the organization would require at least minimum 400 trainers, because we are the only organization, again, I said we have a USP, only organization in India who is doing live classes on these products. There is no other organization doing live classes on this product, right? So this is the way forward for all of you here, right?
Okay, let's get to the next steps for the franchisees.
Gentlemen and ladies, sorry, you might not see the slide, but I hope I am able to, make you visualize that what I'm speaking, right? Now, if we come to, first, let me take trainers. If we come to trainer, if there is a part-time trainer, a lot of you would ask whether there is a cost. Yes, there is a cost, because these are unique products. These are proprietary products and very, very unique products. So I normally, pardon my, language in Hindi, but it is a very, important saying. Although Hindi matra bhasha hai, I feel pride to talk in Hindi also. आप कितने रुपए किलो में कंसंट्रेशन खरीद के लाओगे कौन सी दुकान से, आप कितने रुपए लीटर मेमोरी खरीद के लाओगे. So these products or these kind of techniques are not available in open market. It is not off the shelf product that you go and buy and you drink a chocolate, as a lot of advertisements they talk about, ADH and all those kind of things in a lot of dietary products. So there is no dietary product here. There is no off the shelf product. It is what is being, we are talking about human potential. We are talking about how to enhance the productivity of a person, how to help a younger generation to grow and think. So this reminds me of a quote by the genius himself, Dr. Albert Einstein. He said, the education is not about learning facts. It's about training your mind to think. And we all know today's education system is all about memory education system. The innovation, the thinking, the coming time is of innovation. This COVID has taught us a lot of lesson on the innovation part, right? So the coming time is ability to think, right? Here I would like Rajwinder also to add few words on the trainer, as she's heading this domain. So Rajwinder, can I request you to just put some words into it?
GS, can you see the screen at the moment?
Yeah, I can see, sir.
Okay, so
Very well.
after Rajwinder, you can talk about the franchisees next steps.
Sure.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm sorry I'm not able to share my screen as I'm traveling right now. Actually, the exercises that we do over here, that makes the kids smarter and improves their communication between the right and left hemisphere of their brain. And they also get their level of reasoning gets
Okay.
higher with the critical thinking problems and everything, and it helps in their mental coordination also. So the trainers that we are looking for, we are not looking for like something very extraordinary. Just we want that the trainers that come to us should be easygoing and relaxed person. Other than the academic qualification, these are the things which we require. We need a hardworking trainer who is easygoing and committed and is trustworthy. So these are the basic qualification, and she should be methodical and should be proactive to take any decision when it is required. So this is what I wanted to add on.
Thank
Over
you,
to
Rajwinder. That is got that.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I will re-emphasize on what Rajwinder said, because I can see some chat that there was not clarity. So Rajwinder said that we are looking for trainers who are easygoing, who are relaxed, and who are trustworthy. Right. So that is the basic qualification that Rajwinder is looking for trainers to have, beside other qualifications which are very necessary for a trainers. Okay. If I go to the franchisee, which will lead you to become a learning partner, right? So that the trainings, let me tell you, as soon as the franchisee come on board, within next 4 to 5 days, he's put on a 1 hour detailed training program every day on a Zoom meet, right? To go through a detailed training program on products. So every product by product, we give a detailed training to all our franchisees. And we talk about the research behind the product as well. Then we give the training on how to promote these products and how to get the traction from known and unknown people around you, right? The kind of potential, the simple thing a franchisee has to do just to enroll, but there is a complete support system from the organization, starting from training to creatives to kind of helping with all kind of platform on social media and all those brand building. So all that is the support from the organization. The earning potential for a learning partner for a franchisee is anything starting from 30,000 to 1.25 lakhs per month. And here I have a franchisee who has an aspiration, and she keeps on talking to me that my goal is to make 4 lakhs per month from this organization. Very soon you are going to hear her also, right? So we can easily double it next year, because for any business, it takes 1 year to build the base, and then we are able to build it on. Now, if I talk about learning partner, that is a trainer plus franchisee. Obviously, as I told you, we are going to train on the company products, online business, how to get the traction, processes. We are a very stringent process company, and there is a chance for deserving candidates. We will facilitate the DGT trainer certificate also for the deserving candidates, right? If I talk about in how much time can you recover your, either a trainer cost or your franchisee cost, let me tell you, if you work as a part-time only weekend trainers, you can recover it in 1.5 months. But if you work as a full-time trainer or a franchisee, you can make anything between 2.5 to 4 times in one single month. That is a potential. It is not because I have something unique, because the industry is growing at that pace right now. This is the right time. This is the time to actually enter into online education platform. And you know, a lot of companies, they have a model of doing direct sales. A lot of companies like Byju's, the big daddies, they don't hire you. They do the direct sales. They get the traffic on their website and they sell directly. We don't do that way. We believe in human resource capital. We believe in creating opportunities, not in cashing, you know, all the business. So we are here to create entrepreneurs, self-employment, and those kind of opportunities. Yes, sir.
So GS, there's an opportunity for them now. Maybe you want to mention it now?
Yes, definitely. I would love to mention, because a lot of people would be thinking about it, sir. So frankly speaking, if I talk about my offline franchisee cost, it was something about 6 lakhs. So we already have 14 franchises pan India on our offline product. The cost was 6 lakhs. But when it came to online training, and I understood that I have to be very affordable in terms of end consumer and a channel partner who wants to promote us. So we thought of a pricing of 25,000, but this is a special lockdown offer. So this offer is going to get over on 30th June for sure. We are not here to bargain. 15,000 plus tax, GST is 18%. 15,000 plus GST is a cost to enroll yourself as a learning partner. Just 15,000 plus GST. And we all know the opportunity is amazing.
So I want to add something here, GS. Thank you.
Yeah, bro.
Just wanted to convey one thing that.
Little louder, Vipul.
Can you hear me now?
A little better, yes.
So I just want to add something here, as you know, Tigraj sir already mentioned. You know, the beauty of this product is it's not just meant for kids. This is meant for everyone, each and every individual. So it doesn't matter whether, you know, we are coming from corporate background, we are coming from education, we are coming from sports. Imagine online, internationally, the kind of reachability we are getting and where exactly we can take it through. And for that, this cost, I think it is dirt cheap. This is what I believe. That's about it. GS, please continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
very important point before I go to demo. We already have a trainer. We already have a learning partner from Dubai. She's already on board. She's going through that trainings these days. Then we already have trained a lot of students from London, from Canada, and from you know, US and Dubai. So these are 4 countries from where already students are part of our batches right now. So the world is the market actually, but yes, we are consolidating first ourselves in India, and then eventually next 3 to 6 months we'll move to the world. Okay, now comes a very interesting thing to do. So I'm sure you have heard of products. You might be, you know, you might be surprised. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है पर पूरा समझ में नहीं आ रहा. So I will help you to understand it completely by experiencing the product. I am sure everybody is going to be very excited. Can I request, it's a small request, but I'm sure you will help me. Can I request everybody to switch on their cameras? Whoever doesn't want to, it's okay. Whoever doesn't want to do, it's okay. I will definitely take questions. I can see some chat towards the end of the session. In next 10 minutes, in next 5 to 10 minutes, we are going to take the question answer round. Everybody, please switch on your camera. This is going to be really interesting. It's just a demo of by watch 2 to 3 minutes demo. So, you know, the best way to promote any product is to be a product of a product. You know, that's what I've learned. And let me tell you, everybody here is a salesman. Everybody, since our childhood, we have been doing that. Right? A lot of times we have a inhibition कि नहीं मैं sales नहीं कर सकता. यार मैं नहीं कर सकती. Let me tell you, there is a giant within you which is sleeping right now. Similarly, like Hanuman ji. हनुमान जी को अपनी शक्तियों का ज्ञान नहीं था, बट जब उनको उनकी शक्तियों का ज्ञान करवाया तो he created wonders. Let me tell you, each one of you has a giant within, and this COVID time is there to help you to awaken the giant. So our endeavor is to help you to awaken that giant. Thank you so much, everybody. I can see you on screen now. I want you to give me a quick answer. So I would request everybody to be give a short, quick answer. And if not too many people will speak, that will help us. Now, if I give you about 20 simple objects mean table, car, chair, pen, pencil, AC, remote, very simple objects. How much time do you think you will take to remember them? So I'm going to take few names. You can just tell me what is your thought on that. So can I start with the ladies? Malika, I can see Malika here. Malika, what do you think? How much time will you take to remember 20 simple words, very simple words? Objects.
Maybe a minute or two.
Okay, great. I would love that. Okay, I can see Kuljit Kaur. Could you please tell me?
Yes, sir.
How much time do you think you will take to remember 20 simple objects?
And maybe 3 to 4 minutes.
3 to 4 minutes. Very nice.
Sequence, yeah.
Yeah, I can see a young lady, Sweetie Mishra. What do you think, Sweetie?
I think I would take around 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, good.
I'm not sure though.
Okay, good. No problem. That's a good guesswork. Now, I am sure a lot of gentlemen, they will mind if I don't ask them. So can I ask Raghunath ji? Raghunath ji, what do you think? 20 simple words. How much time? Raghunath ji, I can't hear you. You are on mute.
Can you hear now?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir, now.
Yeah. See, through linking methodology, we have learned, no? So we can remember.
Yeah. Even mnemonics. How much time, sir?
Yeah. Small memory techniques, you know.
Yeah. 20 words, how much time, sir?
20 words, maybe 2-3 minutes.
2-3 minutes. Great, sir. I can see sharp minds over here. Sir,
Yes.
how much time as per you?
I am very poor. I'll take 5 to 7 minutes.
Okay. Now, if I put some difficulty levels to it, that I'm not going to ask you in sequence, I'm going to ask you random. Like out of 20, what was on number 7? What was on number 19? What was number 8? What was on number 12? What was on number 16? Then how much time? Will the time increase or it will remain same? Yeah, Malika.
I think it will increase.
Yeah, Raghunath ji, will it increase or same?
It will definitely, through practice, we can reduce the timings.
Yeah, Sweetie, it will increase or same?
I think it will increase, but if we practice, it may decrease.
Definitely. If you give the training of registration, retention, retrieval, that's what Mr. Raghunath was saying.
Correct.
Definitely it can decrease.
Correct.
Right? Yeah, Kuljit ji, increase or decrease?
Definitely, sir, it will increase.
Okay,
but with
great.
practice, it will be.
I know. Yeah. We are talking about that practice. That is our product. That is our specialty. Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So if I put another difficulty level, why I'm putting this difficulty level? Because you are going to put that difficulty level to me right now. Okay. If I put another difficulty level that you will say a word, and if I will say a word and you have to tell me the serial number, vice versa. If I give you 20 words, 20 objects, out of those 20 objects, if I ask you the object, you have to give me serial number. Ulta batana padega. Brain will get confused. I'm sure it will. Right? Now, how can we sort this out? Right now, you are going to give me 20 objects one by one. So I will take your name. You just keep, and please be very, be very generous to me. Give me simple objects. Don't give me difficult jargons, right? So give me simple objects, right? And I will just listen to it once. My hands will be here. I will not write anywhere. I will just listen to it once. I will use my right brain for 5 seconds per object. So 20 objects, 5 seconds means 100 seconds. In 100 seconds, I will hear your objects. Once you are over with 20 objects, you can ask me anything from anywhere in any permutation combination. I hope it's very interesting for you. So let's start. I can see Seema Kazi on the first number on my screen. Yes, Seema,
Yes.
number 1.
Thunderstorm.
Again, a difficult one. It's not an object. I
Achha, you
request
are
everybody.
object.
Yeah,
Rock.
कोई बात नहीं, अभी चलेगा, no
Okay.
problem. Everybody, please.
Microscope.
just a minute. I will take your name, then you please speak. Otherwise, it will be a chaos. So just keep an object in your mind and be very generous to me. Keep simple objects. But thunderstorm chalega, no problem. So number 1 is thunderstorm. Somebody can write it so that they can check on me. Somebody, you know, almost all of you can write if you have paper pen, so that you can check on me, right? So 1 is thunderstorm. Okay, done. Number 2, I can see. Okay, I will only talk to the people who have put their video camera on. I can see Malika on number 2. Yes, Malika.
I would say an iPhone.
2 is iPhone. Okay, number 3, sharp minds.
Opportunity.
So 3 is, again, it is not an object, but
Product,
it will
object.
do. No problem. It will do. It will do. No problem. 3 is opportunity. Okay. Number 4, Pooja ji.
Pen.
Sorry.
Pen. Pen.
Pin. Okay.
Yeah, pen.
Okay. Mr. Raghunath, number 5.
Table.
Table. Okay. Monica ji, number 6.
Television.
Television.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Number 7, I can see laptop written here. I'm sorry, I don't have the name here. Number 7, laptop. You are on mute, ma'am. Please unmute yourself.
My name is Madhuri.
Okay, Madhuri ji, number 7.
So laptop.
That would be very easy. But thank you so much for being generous. Okay, thank you. Number 8, Kuljit ji. Number 8.
Keyboard.
Number 8, keyboard.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 9, I can say see Navu Kaur.
Yeah, it's diary.
Okay. Number 10, I can see Amoli Kakkar ji. Amoli ji, number 10. Kindly unmute. Kindly unmute.
Charger.
Charger. Okay. Okay. Number 11, Mr. Arnab.
Bulb.
Bulb. Okay. Number 12, sweetie.
Scissors. I would say scissors.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, done. Number 13, Bahar ji. You are on mute, ma'am. You are on mute.
Can I please?
Yeah, ma'am.
Spectacles. Spectacles.
Okay, spectacles. So 13 is spectacles. Okay, number 14, Naveen ji.
Pencil box.
Sorry,
Pencil box.
pencil box. Okay. I can see Viva written here. Number 15.
Yeah. iPod.
iPod. What is your good name, ma'am?
Rupali here.
Rupali ji.
From
thank
Mumbai.
you. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you,
thank you.
Rupali ji. iPod. Number 16.
Yes, Angel wants to give you a word.
Yes, Angel. Number 16.
Lamp.
Lamp.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Number 17. Tasneem ji.
Fish tank.
Okay. Okay. Number 18. Okay. Rest all have not switched on their mobiles. Cameras. Number 18. Sharda ji.
Sofa.
Sofa. Okay. Number 19. Prabjot ji.
Violin.
Violin. Okay. Varun ji, number 20.
Cup.
Cup.
Yeah.
Okay, done. Now you can ask me anything from anywhere. Again, I will start taking name of the people, then you can ask me. Yeah, Malika.
Number 15.
Number 15 iPod. Correct? Monica Raoji.
Anji, number 10.
Okay, I'll come back on this. I need to recall it. So registration and retention has happened. Recall is not happened. I'll come back on number 10.
Okay.
Yeah, Raghunath ji.
Table number.
Table.
Number kitna?
Number 5.
Correct.
Yeah. So Madhuri ji. Kindly unmute. Madhuri ji, kindly unmute. Yeah.
Number 3.
3 was opportunity.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Bahar ji.
Hanji. Number 13.
Number 13 was practical. आपने दिया था शायद.
Thank you, ji.
Okay, sweetie.
Number 20.
Cup. Yeah, Arnab ji.
Number 14.
14. Pencil box.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, Seema ji. Seema Kazi ji.
Okay, so can we go from 1 to 10, like नीचे से ऊपर 10 to 1, all the words?
Okay, 10 I have to recall. I'm sorry for that, but 9
अच्छा, so
was
9 to
pin.
1.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So 9 was diary. 8 was sofa. 7 was laptop. Sorry, 8 was keyboard, not sofa. 18 was sofa. So 8 was keyboard. 7 was laptop. 6 was TV. 5 was table. 4 was pin. 3 was opportunity. 2 was earphone. No, 2 was, I'll come back, and 1 was thunderstorm.
iPhone.
Yeah, earphone, and 1 was thunderstorm.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
GS, what is number 10?
So Digraj sir is catching me on. Okay, let me
That's how
put
the
my
teachers grill you, sir. That's exactly how
let
teachers
me
grill you.
put it. 11 was bulb. 11 was bulb. 12 was scissors. 13 was spectacle. 14 was pencil box. 15 was iPod. 16 was lamp. Angel gave it to me. 17 was fish tank. 18 was sofa. 19 was violin. 20 was cup. Again going back. 15, 14. Okay, 9 was dairy. 10 was
95% marks so far.
Okay, yes, sofa. Okay.
Okay, listen,
Sorry.
but well done. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you
Yes,
so
thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Thank
Amazing,
you.
amazing
Very
experience.
nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
I
Now
think we need to
coming
move
back.
on, GS. Yeah.
Yeah, coming back to the second demo, I want to show the second product called Brain Gym. So when we talk about left and right
GS, I
brain,
have a suggestion.
yeah,
Let's keep this demo for a little later.
okay,
Let's move on to the next part, and somebody stays on after the question answers. We can show them the second demo as well,
sure, I'll do that, sir.
right? Let's move on. I think it's time to hear our special guest today, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome on this lady who's become a very integral part of the team in a very short time. We are delighted that she's been so generous with her time with us. May I request Sharda ji to kindly share her experience with H&H. Sharda ji, all yours.
Thank you, Digraji. Gunandan ji, you are amazing. I mean, the energy and the passion, it just rubs off on all of us, whether we know
Thank
you or
you
we
so
don't
much.
know you.
Thank you
And
so
it's
much.
actually been a pleasure being a part of IMBO. This is the 5th week that I am a part of IMBO. In fact, the journey started early May when I was invited for a webinar like this, and the product intrigued me, and I thought, let me enroll my children and experience it. And honestly, there has been no looking back after that. I see a tremendous change in my son. There was a time when I used to dread every time he would come back from school or after playing down or after interacting with friends ki pata nahi kaun si shikayat aane wali hai. And just 5 weeks, and there is a transformation in his behavior. Forget the memory part. Memory obviously has enhanced. His intellectuals have enhanced. More than that, the creativity of both the children. I have a daughter who's 15.5. She's just given a 10th. That has enhanced. My relationship with them has become more cordial because of reasons I'll be sharing very soon. When I started with IMBO, I heard the franchisee fee and I was like, is time pe dena chahiye, nahi dena chahiye. I had my questions and I somehow, when I paid, I recovered it in 3 weeks' time. They say that it will take about a month and a half, and I have not done any digital marketing, any cold calling, any calling of anyone. I have just contacted few parents whom I believed that they are concerned about their child's education future. And when I explained the product to them, I spoke about the organization's credibility. It just happened to be a very simple thing for them. Yes, they do ask ki what would be the timings, because most of the online classes have started. But honestly, GS has been very, very helpful. There have been times when some of my candidates have missed their classes and he has said that I'll send the recording. If they need, they can call me at XYZ time and I will try and do a one-on-one class with them. I mean, I have not seen any live online class which is so reputable, creditable, being so friendly. And second thing is that if I keep my earnings aside, if I keep my association in terms of the content aside, what draws me to IMBO is that it has all the right tick marks. It has a fantastic content. The intent is very noble, and it's not just a pseudo noble thing. It gives me a lot of satisfaction when I see the other children developing the way they are developing in a span of 2 to 3 classes that they do. And another very beautiful thing is that the organization, I keep on saying the organization because it is an organization. It has a fantastic board of advisory. It has a very beautiful and interesting and productive set of business partners. It has very strong trainers behind it. The organization is extremely progressive. You give them a feedback today, even if it is not a very, very well curated feedback, they take it very happily and they try to implement everything that you tell them as a franchisee or as a student. There have been times when people have given feedback which actually doesn't make sense, but they have been so nice to receive it and work on it, which actually gives all of us a feeling that it is a place to work with. I have worked for 19 years in organizations. I mean, most of the number ones and the big organizations that I've worked for startups, which should have been as progressive and as receptive as IMBO is. But the satisfaction that I have received in the last 5 weeks in this organization, I wish to continue the rest of my life, that I live and I can work with IMBO. It's a beautiful place. I joined in as a parent. I became a franchisee. I am aspiring, and rather I would say in a very cliche language, I'm dying to become a trainer and be more and more associated with them. It's a journey to recon with. While you have seen a demo of the memory booster, and very soon you may stay back to see the demo of a brain gym, there is a product called DMIT, which I am a personal fan of. I've become a personal fan of that. I did a DMIT for my daughter because she recently gave her 10th exams, and fortunately, she is fantastic in almost all the subjects. So it was very difficult for us to decide that if she ends up scoring, we are anticipating that she would be scoring somewhere in her early 90s. What should she take? Because she's very good with human behavior. She's very good with geography. She's fantastic with biology. She's very good with mathematics and physics. And we didn't know, obviously she can't study all the subjects after her 10th. So we ended up getting a DMIT done for her. And the results were awesome. It has given us a pathway and we know where she should go. I was intrigued at this age. I'm 44, but even at this age, I'm intrigued ki karun to kya karun. And I got my DMIT done after I could understand my daughter's personality. Apart from her career and stream selection, I understood her personality very well. I got my DMIT done. And the results have been amazingly, I would say, beautiful, because it has helped me and my daughter rekindle our relationship. Today, I know all the answers of all the why that I had on her behavior. Kyun karti hai aisa? Kyun bolti hai aisa? And I did not know how to manage it. You know how teenage tantrums are. I mean, parents and people who have teenagers, they would know what. And I have a son who's 9. So the differences are huge. So now I can tell my son, Didi ऐसा क्यों करती है? I can tell myself, Didi ऐसा क्यों करती है? I can tell myself मैं ऐसा क्यों कर रही थी? And now how to manage that part. So just a span of 2 DMITs over a period of maybe a week, and everything in the household has improved. Today I am sitting here, the television is behind me. The kids have not even entered the place to tell me that mama phone de do ya phone le lu ya TV on kar do. My daughter just brought in a cup of chai for me without me asking her. And my son is inside sketching, whereas he would otherwise be shooting his football somewhere all over the house before these courses were done for him. I mean, everything has changed. It's a beautiful thing, and I want to pass on this amazing experience to people around me. And I can only say that anyone who joins IMBO will not be joining an organization, they will be joining a family. It's a beautiful place to be. That's all I have to say, GS. Thank you so much, and all the best to all of us.
Shadaji, thank you so much for
Thank you, Shadaji.
so beautifully articulating your experience and these small subtle things that you have changed. I think all the parents who are listening will realize the enormity of those, you know, to have kids go away from your handhelds to doing other things, and the harmony that's brought to the house in addition to the benefits you already see. Thank you for bringing it out so beautifully. Really appreciate it. And we feel very, very honored that you want to continue this journey and become a part of it. And I'm sure you're going to be playing a large role as we go forward. So thank you so much.
By all means, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for having me here.
And I'm now going to request another very, I introduced you to her earlier. She began as a satisfied customer when her kids did it. I'm going to request Reema Bajwa ji to kindly tell us about her journey. Reema ji?
Good evening, everyone, and it has been a pleasure.
It's a little soft. The voice is a little low. Okay.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Thank you.
And what I would just like to add to whatever Sharda ji has said and Gurnandan ji has said, that H&H, head and heart. I believe this organization stands true to these words. You know, I would just say in small few sentences that I am seeing that people are able, you know, this organization is able to balance the heart, that is the emotions, and the brain. And the outcome, when these two things are balanced, there is definitely harmony in the house, in the world, in the school, in the organizations is going to be there. So I wouldn't, you know, I'm a very satisfied customer, and I'm very happy to be part of this organization, because I think after a long time I found my calling and I'm enjoying what I'm doing. And today I have to say thank you to all the people. I had extensive, long, heart-to-heart conversations since yesterday. Each and every conversation with older contacts, with new people, unknown people, I enjoyed it thoroughly. And I hope, you know, everyone felt the same when we had those conversations. Thank you. All the best to everyone.
Thank you so much, Reema ji.
Thank you,
You know,
Reema ji.
I must mention to everybody who's listening that she's already added so much value thanks to her exceptionally generous feedback, the passion she's taken to treat it like her company itself. So, you know, Reema ji, thank you so much. Really appreciate that. I'm actually now going to introduce somebody who has come on board recently. We are delighted that she has, you know, just telling us of the quality of people who are joining up with the organization. Prabhjot Kaur ji, may I request you to kindly share your experience? But before that, once again, thank you very much for joining us. We love to have you here.
Prabhjot ji, you have to unmute yourself.
Yes. First of all, good evening, everybody, and thank you so much to everybody for being over here and taking our time and listening this out. Gurnandan ji, amazing energy you have, you know, amazing energy. For a few seconds, so I thought कि आप भी आप screen से बाहर ही आ जाएंगे. That's so great. So
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Ganima was sitting with me and she's saying, Mom, you know, I have not seen this kind of energy before. And she had the same reply when she attended your first session. And a big thank you to Reema. You know, she is solely responsible for this. Her daughter and my daughter have studied together in the school, and we have been in touch off and on. And I'm very, very proud of this kid, Simmerleen. I'm really proud of her. And Rima is an exceptionally good parent, and I've always been learning from her. And she met me outside Strawberry Field High School, and Simmerleen had come for the SAT exam, and she says, you know, this is something which I've done. Why don't you try for Ganimat also? And that time I was quite busy in planning these education trips and all, and I had gone inside to give an orientation for the Japan program. And I said, Chal, theek hai, we can talk about it. I'm certainly interested. And whatever she says, I know the product has gone through her. Then similarly, so it, you know, it speaks a lot when she promotes something. And then I got busy, and, you know, uske baad, definitely what happened is lockdown happened, and we were talking, we were in touch with each other. We started something with the kids together. And then this portfolio came and this profile came in. She told me about it, and I said, yes, I would like to make Ganimat attend this session. And Ganimat attended this session, and after the first session, the smile on her face, apart from the lockdown, and she said, Mom, it's really wonderful. Then I happened to meet Gurnandan ji and his family. Rima ji came over there, and that's it. When I saw the demo, I was completely floored. I was like, hum Vegas kab chal rahe hain ab? We need to do the blindfolding things in Vegas, and, you know, let's just get it going. So Mehak and his daughter is phenomenally well. I have seen changes in Simmerleen. I have seen changes in Ganimat, and it's really awesome. Gurnandan ji, what you're doing is amazing. It definitely, you know, boosts up the confidence of the students. A few students I've recommended. I've done the fingerprinting with Ganimat, and we are so clear, and so many more things which were question marks before. As Sharda ji, I must say, I loved how you spoke, you know. I really loved how you spoke. I probably want to say so much more, but you have robbed me of all the words that I wanted to speak. Truly, you've robbed me.
It's yay for me, but it was straight from the heart. Straight from the heart.
No, and
amazing experience.
I would like to add here, after the previous demo, I called her at night and I complimented, and I was like, you were so inspiring to everyone. And
very true.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sharda.
So, you know, after my meeting with Gurnandan ji, a couple of times, I was like, okay, fine. I think, as Rima said, you know, this is my calling. I have been relating to people. I have been working very closely with the students. You won't believe, of all the 3,000 students who've traveled with me, I remember 90% of them. And they're in touch with me till now. And I believe a true leader is not the one who has many people following him. He's the one who can create so many more leaders. And I see the same in Gurnandan ji. You know, an entrepreneur coming out of connecting with him will be an entrepreneur forever. I know that. And bringing difference in students' life, oh yes, we want to do that. Let's take them to the different level. You know, artificial intelligence is going to be tomorrow now. I've had a word with few of my seniors who are heading, you know, schools and all, and they all have told me that it is certainly amazing, and the way it is done, the technology, the techniques, and online, what is happening, nobody else is doing it. And why should you wait to even think about of getting forward with it? I'm looking forward to joining this team, and I want to thank all the people who've come just on a phone call away. And Rima, thank you for, you know, coming in and calling all of them. It made so much of it.
It was entirely my pleasure. And thank you to everyone to be part of this meeting today.
Yes. God bless everybody. Really, God bless.
Prabhjot ji, thank you so much. Very sweet of you to say what you said. You know, as we go forward, let me just tell you very clearly that the intention is to make it a #1 brand, not just in India, across the world. And again, to GS's credit, he's happy to take the suggestions, put the format together, put the backend together, and with support of people like yourselves, Rima ji, Sharda ji, and, you know, all the others who've been there, I don't see that being a journey too far away. We're going to open the floor up for questions now. And ladies and gentlemen, please feel free to share your questions.
Yeah, in the meantime, firstly, I would thanks all three lovely ladies, Team Devia, right? Thank you so much for such wonderful words and touching my heart. I'm really blessed to have you, you know, as a family with me. Here, I would like to share another wonderful lady, Amoli Kakkarji from Jaipur. She got her son go through this workshop, Sherlock, and she was very apprehensive because that, you know, that cute child had to go for his JEE exam in 14 days. 14 days from that time when she spoke to me the child had a JEE exam. And his husband, Sanjeev Kakkar, Mr. Sanjeev Kakkar is an ex-telecom. He knew me. Frankly speaking, he said, "Bhai, मैं तो करवाना चाहता हूँ, मेरी wife नहीं मान रही, तुमसे बात कर." And 45 minutes, I remember, it was 45 minutes of a talk. I told Amoli Kakkarji, either your concentration of your son will go high, that he will be able to study 2 hours of material in just 30 minutes, or he will study for long hours if he's not able to study. And your 15 days will become 3 months of preparation. And you know, after the JEE result came, I got a mail from her, I got a call from her, and she said, "Gurnandan, thank you so much that you pushed me to get this done." He scored 96.5 percentile in JEE. And she said a lot of credit goes to the IMBO workshop, which enabled. So I can see Amoli Kakkarji nodding her head. Thank you so much, Amoli Kakkarji, for believing in us. You know, if you can just acknowledge what I said is true for you or not.
It's absolutely true, sir. It's absolutely true. I was really very apprehensive for my son enrolling for this because, see, the cost matters, the time matters. Actually, he had to spend 2 days with the team, and he really was short in time because his JEE mains were on head and he was lacking time. But the first day, I requested sir that I would also like to attend the session. So he agreed to that, and the first day when we got free, we saw that we were totally relaxed. Totally, our minds were free of everything. All the hassles and bustles of life had been vanished. I don't know where, but yes, we were totally free, and as if some new energy had come into us. And my son said, "Nahi mama, main kal bhi jaunga," and he went the next day, and the result was that he started studying for at least 6 to 7 hours in one sitting just after the workshop. Just 2 days of workshop, and his sitting time increased from 2 hours to 6 to 7 hours at one stretch. And that was incredible. I never thought that would happen. And the scores were amazing, really amazing. And that's what I wanted. I had connected to sir that, "Sir, I need again your help." And his attempt is going to happen in July, and the advance would be happening in August. So I want him to come out with flying colors. And although he has been doing great hard work, too much of hard work, but still there is some kind of anxiety in him, which I want that he should get rid of at this moment, because he needs totally to focus on his studies.
Yeah,
It was
so
really awesome.
we will
It was
definitely
really awesome.
We'll definitely help him with the brushing up sessions, online sessions now. We'll sure help him, ma'am.
That's wonderful. In fact, GS, there's also a question from Amoli ji itself. She says, "Being an amateur astronomer, how can I be connected and transfer my knowledge related to astronomy to kids?" So maybe you want to answer it right now. She's offering. This is wonderful.
Yeah, definitely. We are very open-minded for new programs. We are very open-minded for new learnings and what we can bring on platter for young generation and parents. So we are very open, Amoli Kakkarji. Welcome to the family. You are already, I always feel every parent is a family to me who comes and experience, you know, the products with us. So thank you so much for believing in us, and definitely we can work together towards the new project or a new offering to the younger kids. I'll be delighted to do it with you.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
And there's a compliment here for Prabhjot ji. Mr. Piplani says that, "Well said, creating leaders is the paradigm," and very nicely said as well. I think something we actually have been discussing internally within IMBO, that growth is about generating leaders. It's not about being the leader yourself. So GS, it's been acknowledged by somebody else. Well done, and something right is being done. Congratulations. There's a question which came up a little earlier, that what is the next step for becoming a learning partner? What does somebody need to do? GS, can you answer that, please?
Yeah, sure. So I would request you to be in touch with the person who invited you to this webinar. We have given the all kind of clarification and next steps to be taken to become a learning partner. We are looking for wonderful professionals, wonderful people like you who can be part of the growth strategy of the organization. It's very easy to enroll, but it is very, very, it's not going that easy to go through this journey. Frankly speaking, you should be ready for unlearning and learning new things. So we have to unlearn a lot of things to learn new things. So definitely enrollment is not that great, kind of a process, but learning is definitely a great process, which you will have through this journey of learning.
If I may just add here, GS, I think the majority of the trainer requirements will happen from August onwards.
Yes.
So one of the reasons why this suggestion also comes through is that while you are training and you are learning, you could also make it an opportunity to use that training to start earning as a franchisee. And in effect, you'll be surprised at how quickly you will benefit from both sides, because while you're going to be training kids in India, you're going to be training people across the world as well. And the growth opportunities for both trainers and franchisees and learning partners is going to be quite huge. So at this point of time, I must say that we have answered most of the questions which have come up. And there is a question from Dr. Nitin Alok. Consistency and sustenance has to be synced.
Very good. Very good point.
Yes, so completely agreed.
Yeah. Very
Yes,
good
you want to
point.
add something to it?
Okay, that's what we mean to say. Today when Amoli Kakkarji spoke to me, she said, Gurnandan, the good part is, my child has been consistently practicing brain gym. So when I spoke about brain gym, the product demo, so, if you can try this as well with me, the left and right brain coordination, left thumb, right hand finger, and interchange. So this is one of the brain gym exercises. Looks very easy. When you will try it, you'll understand where your left brain is going and where your right brain is going.
I am telling you, trust me, we've been doing it last night and मेरी बस हो गई थी, मैं सो गई थी. Ganima told me all the exercises, mummy ऐसे करो ऐसे, forget it, just don't test me, man. Yo, yeah.
Basically, these are consistent things which every child goes through, and therefore the sustenance is there. So we guarantee on results, number one. Number two, we guarantee on sustenance also. It is like cycling or swimming. Once you learn it, you don't forget it for life. आपने बचपन में साइकिलिंग की होगा, आपने 20 साल साइकिल नहीं चलाया होगा, you just go and sit and ride the cycle, you will be able to ride the cycle throughout. Same goes for swimming also. So as far as sustenance is concerned, we guarantee the results. We work on the subconscious mind. So subconscious mind is a permanent kind of a working. Conscious mind is a temporary, right? Whereas the subconscious mind is a permanent kind of a thing. So whatever we educate children or adults, that goes to the subconscious mind through a process which remains with you forever. The sustenance is forever with you.
Okay, GS, I think a lot of the questions have been answered. There have been some compliments to you on the quality of the presentation, and
thank you so much.
Though I must at the same time apologize. I think we've gone beyond time, but I think the fact that majority of people have stayed back, they've actually found value in it. GS, you wanted to do the second demo. I think we don't have time for that. But
Digraj sir, if I can get a chance to add something, because I got a message from one of the trainer, maybe she left, she has been part of corporate training.
Sure,
so I'm
sure,
sure
go
that
ahead.
there are a lot of people here sitting, maybe, they're not from education background, but they have been from training. Again, this trainer asked me a question that how can we help corporates? So let me tell you, this is the beauty that the product which we're talking about, DMIT, okay, this is something we can, I'm not going to take word replace. Yes, it is not the right word, but yes, DMIT can be the future, because 99% accuracy is there even to identify talent. So we can take this tool forward in corporates as well as, anywhere in any sphere of life. We can implement all these products which we already have right now. So this is what I just wanted to convey in case if anyone has got this question again in the mind. Thank you.
I can see, thank you Vipul bhai. I can see Dr. Nitin Alok's comments out here. Cognitive memory and close luring style. Definitely, sir. It's all the game of left and right hemisphere of the brain where you talk about the, logical and reasoning and definitely creativity towards it. So I used a technique called creative technique wherein the registration, retention and retrieval are trained in that manner. If you I can right now also talk about those 20 objects which I did about 20 minutes back. So it's not a short-term memory, it's a long-term memory as well. If I start speaking about all those 20 objects, I can just go on to that.
Number 10, GS, number 10.
Yeah.
Tell us
so
number
far,
10.
So far.
Okay.
Don't forget for life now.
Okay, GS, next question.
Yeah.
This is from Dr. Nitin Alok again.
Yeah.
I am a learning and development professional for the past 15 years. Can we use DMIT for competency mapping or assessment center?
Yes. First of all, Dr. Nitin, I am glad. I am thankful to Prabjot ji and Reema ji. I am thankful to Madhuri ma'am. She's here. Thank you so much for being part of this wonderful webinar. I know you are doing some wonderful stuff with kids. It would be honor to be with you, work with you together on the project. Definitely, dramatic graphics is a very accurate, very accurate process to do this. I can give you testimonies. Prabjot herself is a testimony. Reema is a testimony. I have hundreds and thousands of testimony where it can prove that how this has helped in assessment of a child on every aspect of the child to the accurate form. 95% मैं disclaimer के लिए बोलता हूँ, I can guarantee 99.9%.
Fantastic. GS, there's a question that it is being done by others in India as well. That is true. There are many people who are bringing DMIT to the country. The question is, how well is it being done? We don't want to comment on anybody else, just that the fact that I'm aware of the kind of research that's being done from a sporting parlance. Let me just share something that GS was telling me recently. In the new research that's happening, which will be announced very soon, let's assume somebody wants to be a cricketer and he wants to be a bowler. They've gone deep enough to say that whether he can be a fast bowler or a spin bowler or a swing bowler, depending on the kind of gross motor skills or the fine motor skills that you may have, which are among the 16 intelligences and many other things that they map out when DMIT is happening. And it is mind-boggling. I mean, can you imagine, like you correctly mentioned, if India starts identifying kids at an early age and they start doing the things the way it's being done internationally. I mean, there's a reason why a lot of these things are being done in curriculums in various schools in Japan. India will produce a lot many more Olympic champions and many fields and many domains as well. So yes, we just feel very happy to be proud of this. What would be the process to start as a learning partner? GS, I think you want a little bit of clarity. You mentioned that they should get in touch with the people who brought you here, and they will just take you through the process very quickly. All you got to do is declare your intent to them, and you could become a learning partner starting tomorrow.
Then we will have a schedule for training on products and the business process for you as soon as you come on board.
GS, I already have started getting the messages from people, so I will share, and I request all of you, to get back to me, and definitely whosoever has questions, then we can take it forward maybe offline. Thank you so much.
What would be the process to start as a learning partner? Is there a process to add sub-franchisees as well?
Okay, the answer remains the standard. Malika ji, please contact Vipul bhai. I know you are very excited. Welcome to the family. Let me a friend say you welcome to the family, right? Secondly, I would like to answer on the assessment and competency capability. Competency capability is met by Dr. Holland theory. Dr. Nitin, it is done by RISIC model by Dr. Holland, which talks about the core competency of individual. Definitely through dermatographics, we can give you accurate results on the core competencies, right? And Mr. Raghunath, let me tell you, definitely there are many people who are doing it, but the way we do, we are the only one. And I'm blessed for that, because I have been a part of Six Sigma in my corporate career in many companies. I worked for 18 years in telecom and total 23 years of corporate experience. So I have tried my level best to implement all I have learned to build processes in a manner that we are able to eliminate gaps, right? So that is the reason why we are different from others. Definitely there are many people, and that is the reason I shared with you that I am one of the founder directors for the IDA, which is Integrated Dermatographics Association. So we are creating a Section 8 company to build that awareness in the country, and definitely we have done some very good work. We have done more than 5,000 dermatographics analysis and the results, and that is the reason I was chosen to be one of the founder directors for a Section 8 company. Thank you so much.
That's good. That's good.
Okay, so we definitely have a technical error. We're not able to progress the screen for some reason. But that said, the gentlemen, the people who invited you, those numbers are there. Vipul, maybe you could just quickly type out the numbers on the screen for everybody to see in case they want to contact you. Or if anybody has come through, anybody else, I mean, you could just speak to them about the next steps.
Yeah, majorly there were three people who invited the participants. It was Mr. Vipul Tuteja, Rima Bajwaji, and Prabjot ji.
I have also invited some people. I forgot mentioning it to you.
Sorry,
there are about
Sharda
4 or
ji.
5.
Thank you,
That's
Sharda ji.
perfectly fine. It's my mistake. I did not
You didn't
inform
tell
you,
me
but they're
that,
there
but
right now.
No, no, she mentioned it to me.
Even I have
In
also
fact,
asked
even
people.
Vineet has invited few people.
Wonderful.
Okay, great. So my
Wonderful.
request, anybody, whoever invited you to this wonderful platform, please contact them for the next steps. I'm so delighted to share this opportunity with you. Thank you so much for your wonderful, valuable time out of your busy schedule. Thank you so much.
GS, you have forgotten to thank the ladies.
Okay, thank you, sir. You know, this is my way of saying goodbye to everybody. I'm really thankful to today. 4 to 5 wonderful ladies here. So I spoke about Teen Devya. Sharda ji is definitely one of those. We have really connected very well in last 5 weeks, and we see lifetime kind of a relationship. Definitely Prabjot ji, I've just met her 15 days back, and I told her that you share same name of my sister. Even my sister name is Prabjot, right? And we have that kind of a connect, wonderful connect. Rima has been definitely a support and pillar to the organization. The kind of feedback she has given me, she is actually a lot of times she's grilled me, Gunandan, aisa hona chahiye, aisa acha experience aayega. And I'm really thankful to you, Rima, for that. You have a classy taste. Prabjot and Sharda ji also have a classy taste. Thank you so much, everybody, for this. Amoli Kakkar ji, I really want to thank you on this platform. You really built my confidence. You really inspired me by sharing success of your son. A lot of parents get this success, let me tell you, but they don't give that success to us. They don't even share that success to us. But you were kind enough to write an email and give a testimony on an email to us. Thank you so much from my heart. Thank you so much.
The credit should be shared. The credit has to be
thank you
given.
so much. Very few people think about it. And no, last but not the least, the reason why we all are here is my better half, Rajwinder, who motivated me after my daughters went through this program. She said, Gunandan, why only our daughters? There are so many children who need this. And you keep cribbing ki lala ki naukri kab tak karta rahunga, right? This is a right opportunity. So I was hardcore cribbing, 23-year-old experienced corporate guy, right? And
Thank you so much.
Yeah, with the Rajwinder's motivation, I actually could take this plunge and build this. And I see a wonderful time ahead with all of you, right? Thank you so much, Rajwinder, for putting that motivation behind. and bringing it out here. Thank you,
Okay.
Digraj sir.
Yeah.
GS, thank you. Well done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, all of you, thank you so much for joining us, for being patient. I know we've gone well beyond the promised time, but as you can see, there's so much to share, so much that you can take away so that you can make an informed decision whether you want to be part of this journey or not. I know one thing, that the early partners are definitely going to see tremendous value down the line. You know, can this be a Google or a Facebook of the future? I don't know. Could be. And I want to be a part of that in the early journeys. So once again, thank you all for joining us. Have a great evening, and we look forward to working with you very, very soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.